Hey, what is up guys? Chris here, and today it's my off day. Today I'm free to do whatever I want. I don't have any assignments, I don't have any gigs, nothing to shoot. Today I decided to take you with me in a place that I really enjoy. A place that I'm, you know, a little bit fun to, because I'm actually doing this for a lot of years now and I'm pretty good at it, and I'm, you know, I really enjoy it. I'm not telling you what it is. I know it's hard to just look at someone who's trying to tell you something that you don't even know what's all about, but stay with me and I will show you what you probably like to do over a beer and with friends, and I'm doing it just like, say, professionally. I think I'm pretty good at it, so hey, you know what? I'm gonna take you with me right now. Kinda hot today, huh? There you go. Watch this. Super bright, super hot. I don't care, we're gonna be inside, right? And for those of you who already realize what's gonna be, because I said beer and friends, and because I said play, that means we're gonna play something. For those who still watching this thinking that it's a surprise and the road is so bumpy, whatever. For those of you who still consider this a surprise, stay there. Okay, so that's it, you guys. This is Utopia. This is my favorite pool room around here in San Jose. I came here all the time. I'm very tired now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. From now on, we'll probably have more of these. The sky looks beautiful, and you guys will probably won't be able to see it because it's all blown out. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for today. Outside there's so many degrees. It's very hot, and I'm trying to keep the AC a little bit down so you won't hear any strange noises. The thing is, there was a great day for me. Like I said, it was a free day. I have a lot of things, many things to do now, but some of them will require both hands, so I won't be able to vlog. I wanted to have you with me here, and you know, just I know that some of you might not have free days, and maybe you're gonna find you know, time to do things that you like, time for yourself. That's what life is. That's what we're doing, all this stuff, because we need to actually disconnect and do other stuff. Pool for me, it's a passion that it went, you know, a little bit more than that. I actually played for a lot of years, like I said, 15 years, probably something like that. That being said, thank you so much guys, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.